this is Silvia. Welcome back to my channel. So I wanted to share with you a haul from Dollar Tree. In this haul, I just have random stuff. A few things that I purchased before and some things that I hadn't seen, and I have plans. Other items that I have planned things to do with them. So the first thing that I was excited to see was this Tapatio Salsa Picante Original Picante Duros, which we make these, but we hadn't seen these where they actually come with the Tapatio hot sauce. I usually, when I do have these duros is kind of like flour based type of like crunchy snack. I usually don't use Tapatio on them. I actually use another type of hot sauce, which is called Valentina. Other people use chamoy, other people use limon, and some type of hot sauce, but I've never had it with this, like specifically this. There's two reasons why I got them. One, because it says it's gluten-free, and it is made out of potato starch, so it's not made out of just flour. So that's one of the reasons why I got it. Two, is just interesting. So I got this one. This one's just the original picante, and then they also had this one, this one is the limon and picante. So this one has lemon on it, or lime. So I'm very interested to see what these taste like. I've heard that they're good, but like I said, I've never had them with Tapatio, the duros themselves, so we'll see how they taste. That's interesting. My other buy that I usually get are the chocolates that are sugar-free. I ended up getting the mint ones this time. They had the coconut ones. The coconuts are they're not available all the time. So I got two coconut ones, and then I also got some caramel ones. So I got three. I don't eat them that often, but we've discussed this why, but I think that's all that I got for food. Yes. So now for just personal use items, I got these. I had never used these or seen these hand sanitizers with a travel clip on them. So it's just a hand sanitizer bottle, and it comes with a clip already on it. So these are good for traveling, putting them in your purse, on your backpack, on your lunch bag. You could even hook them up on your pants, on your keys, wherever you want. I have one that I have that's Bath and Body Works, that you are able to put the little bottles in there. So that's what I have, but I have the old bottles. So they're the little, like these little bottles. So this is the ones that this is the type of holder that I have that goes with this, but I don't have that many bottles left of these. All of the other ones are the newer bottles, which are these bottles. So I only have one holder of these. I had a lot of the holder for these because they probably went crazy on sale when they were trying to get rid of these bottles. So yeah, I ended up getting this because this one is refillable. I'm assuming this one is refillable. So I'm able to refill these if I want to continue to use these bottles. These are not. So these I would have to buy. I have to buy other ones because you're not able to open these. I mean, I'm pretty sure that if you have like a thing, I don't know what it's called, but something to like fill this up, you probably can, but that might be a lot of work, and I don't think I have that. But I do have, do you see, like these are? So these are reusable, but these I got 4. They didn't have any other hand sanitizers, but I got these 4. I'm gonna give, I don't think we need it. I'll check with my husband, but for sure, maybe I'm gonna share these with my in-laws. My sister-in-law has gone back to work, so she might definitely want one of these to carry with her at work. So we'll do that. I think that, personal items, here we go. I got these brushes. Last time I shared the other brushes, the makeup brushes that I was gonna use for my nails. So I got these because a YouTuber that I watch that does nails. Oh, geez, I forgot her name right now. She does videos, one of Dollar Tree hauls and two for her of her nails, or the process of her making nails. She is a nail tech. I'm trying to pull it up here to see if I see her on my so I can share you. So her name is Laura Couture Nails, and she has a YouTube. So she was doing a set of nails, and she showed how she uses this to clean the edge of her nails with acetone. And I was like, oh, that's a good idea. How long will the brush last with the acetone? I don't know. Oh, is that supposed to be that way? Oh, it does. It has this curved thing here. That's interesting. So it has like a little curve right there. I don't know if you can see it. It's weird. I guess to put your finger. I don't know. But anyway, she was using this to clean off this area. Oops. Sorry. She was using it to clean off this area while she was doing her nails with the acetone. So that she can clean off. I'm doing it like if I'm doing it for reals. But yeah. And like I said, she did mention in her video that somebody mentioned, like, isn't that brush gonna like go out on you because of all the acetone you're using, because it's not meant for acetone? But that's what I got too. But that's gonna be good for that. The other thing that I got were these candles. There's been a lot of hype about candles. There were some really cool candles that were in mason jars, but they were all like Christmas scents, like marshmallow something or other, roasted marshmallow. But they were like Christmas collection, which I was weird. It was that. It was like pumpkin or no, apple something. It was weird. They're all like definitely Christmas scents. So I didn't like that. I ended up getting this one. This one's a raspberry gelato scented smell. And then I got this other one. Oh, they smell so good. I hope they smell as good as I hope they smell as good as I smell them without it being burning. But they smell really good. This one's a peaches and cream one, gelato. This one says from Old Williamsburg. That's the name of the brand, I guess. It says it's made in Vietnam. Interesting. Okay. So we'll see how that smells. And these are 3 ounces each. Alright, I'm trying to hurry here because my battery's about to die. I got the erasable highlighters finally. I got 2. I got the one that has a yellow and purple, and then the pink and green. So we'll see. I'm gonna try those out. We'll see how those work. I also got these. Obviously, they're butterfly stickers. So I got these. These are 9. I just went to that aisle, just grabbed that. That was the only thing I grabbed because I didn't want to be grabbing more stuff. And then I got these confetti. These are at the entrance. I only found 1 pack of the glittered ones. All the other ones were just the regular ones. But you could do yourself, but I thought they were cool. So I got these. These are 60 pieces confetti, and they're like in the entrance. They're like with the summer luau supplies. And then the last thing that I got was these paper straws. These are flamingos, and I guess they open up. I don't know. I didn't even buy them for any of the actual like animals or like the decor. That one has 10. This one has 10. These are pineapples. I got them because I saw a project with embellishments that they use a straw. So I'm gonna use that. I hope that I'm able to cut them because I have no idea how they cut them for them to be perfectly rounded still. But that's what happens when you're watching too many videos. You come up with all these ideas. And the last thing that I got were these. Last time I shared, I got the ladybug. I got the ladybug and the butterfly. They have the they have a bumblebee one, but I wasn't really fond of it. So I just got these 2. I'm gonna put them in my little garden. I have the other 2 already out there, and because there's a lot of wind where I'm at, I'm in a corner, but I'm high. They turn super fast. So I got those as well. And that's pretty much it. I got a lot of cool stuff. So thank you guys so much for watching and have a great day. Bye.